Bumper-to-bumper car insurance. If you have ever shopped for car insurance, you probably must have been surprised by how insurance prices are different. Basic motor insurance does not cover all parts of your vehicle. However, a bumper-to-bumper insurance will provide complete coverage. So, how is this different from comprehensive insurance? And, how is it better? Read on to learn about the different aspects of a bumper-to-bumper car insurance. What is bumper-to-bumper insurance? Under the comprehensive car insurance policy, the insurance company will depreciate the cost of the parts being replaced or repaired before settling the claim. However, under the bumper-to-bumper coverage, the insurer covers every part of your car except for damages to the engine, batteries, tires, tubes and glass. This is usually offered by the insurer as an add-on to the standard policy. It is also called a zero depreciation cover, or nil depreciation cover. Effectively, this provides almost 100% coverage in case of damages to your car caused by an accident. The insurance company will not depreciate the cost of the parts being replaced. This add-on cover is an excellent choice, especially for car owners listed below. New car owners, luxury car owners, first-time car owners, inexperienced car owners who reside in areas that are vulnerable to vehicle accidents, car owners who are concerned about small dents or bumps. What is bumper-to-bumper car insurance cover? It is an insurance policy which offers complete or 100% coverage towards damages to the metal, fiber and rubber parts of your car. It is offered as an add-on cover and is not included in the standard car insurance policy. You will have to pay a slightly higher premium to include it in your vehicle insurance policy. However, this type of coverage ensures the insurance company does not depreciate the cost of parts before settling the claim, thereby receiving almost every penny spent on repairing the car. However, you need to be aware that this add-on does not cover certain parts such as tires, batteries, engine damage and glass. Benefits of bumper-to-bumper car insurance add-on. An accident is indeed never a good thing. The cost to replace car parts or repair dents and bumps is enormous, especially if you have spent your hard-earned money to buy your favorite car. Even if you raise a claim, you may have to spend about 50% of the cost of the entire bill from your pocket. With the inclusion of the bumper-to-bumper cover in your standard car insurance policy, it comes with several advantages which work in your favor. For instance, if you have not opted for the bumper-to-bumper coverage and you raise a claim for a repair bill of Rs. 50,000, you may have to pay nearly 50% Rs. 25,000 from your pocket. However, with the bumper-to-bumper or zero depreciation add-on cover, the insurance company will pay the full cost of the parts being replaced as the add-on does not consider depreciation of the car parts. Here are the main benefits of bumper-to-bumper car insurance. Complete or 100% coverage while settling claims. Gain immunity from depreciation except for certain damages. Beneficial, especially to first-time and luxury car owners. Offers peace of mind knowing your car is covered nearly 100% by the insurer. What is not covered by bumper-to-bumper insurance? The zero or nil depreciation are the other names for the bumper-to-bumper cover, and is beneficial since it offers 100% coverage in case of damages to your car. However, there are a few disadvantages as well. Below is what is not covered under the bumper-to-bumper insurance. Generally, insurers allow only 2 claims during the policy period, and this may vary between insurance companies. The insurer will decline the claim in case the vehicle has been reported that it has been used for illegal activities or unethical use. Using a private car for a commercial purpose. Some engine damages, tires, batteries, glass, clutch plates or bearings may not be covered. In case the policy has expired, the claim will be rejected. In case the claim is not raised within the specified timeline, the insurer will not settle the claim. Damages due to mechanical breakdowns are not covered. Damages to accessories are not covered. In case the driver was drinking and driving, then the insurer will not approve the claim. How to buy bumper-to-bumper insurance online. You can buy car insurance with bumper-to-bumper add-on online through the insurer's website or mobile app. The steps to buy are similar to that of the comprehensive car insurance policy. If you have standard car insurance, you can choose the add-on while renewing the policy. However, you can also choose the add-on at the time of purchasing the vehicle. Below are the steps to buy bumper-to-bumper car insurance online. Step 1. Visit the insurance company's website such as www.acco.com. Step 2. Enter your vehicle registration number to renew the policy. You can also use the same steps in case you want to change the insurance provider. Step 3. You will be prompted to select different types of add-on covers. Choose the 0 or nil depreciation cover as an add-on. Step 4. Pay the required premium and get your policy document instantly to your registered email address. How to renew bumper-to-bumper, 0 or nil depreciation insurance online. The bumper-to-bumper car insurance renewal is simple, especially if you are doing it online. It is similar to renewing your standard car insurance policy. Below are the steps to renew bumper-to-bumper car insurance online. Step 1. Visit the insurance provider's website. Step 2. Sign in with your credentials, or if you are changing the insurance company, then enter the registration number of the vehicle. Step 3. Select the add-on before you pay the premium. Step 4. Pay the premium and receive your bumper-to-bumper car insurance policy to your registered email address. Bumper-to-bumper car insurance cost. The bumper-to-bumper car insurance cost or premium is slightly higher compared to the regular car insurance. This is because it covers all parts of your vehicle and does not depreciate the value of the parts being replaced while calculating the claim amount. You enjoy complete coverage and the insurer pays 100% towards the claim raised. That said, the cost is marginal compared to the money that you may have to pay from your pocket under the comprehensive insurance plan in case of repairs. Bumper-to-bumper insurance for used, second-hand cars, whether it is a used car or a new car, an insurance policy which covers all parts of the car is indeed a complete package in case of an unfortunate accident. Insurers offer 0 depreciation cover as an add-on, which is essentially a bumper-to-bumper coverage. Over a period of time, a car's value declines due to the age of the vehicle. This decline in car value is known as depreciation. The 0 or nil depreciation add-on nullifies the depreciation and pays almost 100% of the claim except in case of damages to batteries, tires, engine and glass. Whether you own a used luxury car or a lower-priced car, under the standard comprehensive insurance you and the insurer must bear the cost to repair your car. However, with the bumper-to-bumper insurance for used cars, you can claim 100% of the repair cost from the insurance company, thereby having an advantage over the comprehensive insurance. Limitations of bumper-to-bumper cover. The bumper-to-bumper cover or the 0 or nil depreciation cover has its limitations as well. Below are some of the limitations of the add-on cover. Engine damages due to water ingression or oil leakage. Wear and tear of bearings, clutch plates, tires, etc. Driving without a valid driving license. Driving after drinking alcohol or consuming other intoxicating substances. Using a private vehicle as a commercial vehicle. Illegal driving. Does bumper-to-bumper, 0 or nil depreciation insurance cover everything? While the bumper-to-bumper insurance covers every inch of your car in case of damages due to an accident, it does not cover some aspects of the claim. Here are the details. Parts such as rubber, plastic, nylon parts and batteries are not covered. A minimum of 50% depreciation is calculated before the insurance company settles the claim. Fiberglass parts of cars will be depreciated by 30% and do not enjoy the complete coverage, unlike metal parts. Wooden parts will receive a 5% depreciation in the first year and 10% in the second year, and so on. Difference between bumper-to-bumper and comprehensive car insurance.